This is KCTV. I'm Kelsey.
You guys want to see if my scenery change machine works?
I think it works. If you could teleport or teleport things.
I'm sorry. I have the teleportation.
Blue.
Awesome.
Bloopers!
I can't. You have too many bloopers.
You want your ball?
Yeah, thanks.
Fresh ball.
Austin, can you hand me my water? No, wait. I got it. Ah! Oh! Go get it.
But you.
And this was me messing around with the Vex. Thanks for watching KCTV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So many extras that have nothing to do with this. Hope you like them.